I welcome everyone for this wonderful session, Education Industry Connect, Expectations versus Reality. So, from expectations sides and education industry, I will welcome Mr. Srinivas sir on this forum for the discussions, and we will bring some values from the education point of view and academic point of view. What are the challenges and what are the values they are facing, and we can figure out how we can help the students in their freshers hiring. Okay. On the contrary, I will welcome Rahul sir from the industry segment, uh, as he is representing what are the exact reality and what are the challenges they are facing from the freshers recruitment and freshers hiring, and being the representative of Internscope. I am Vasanti Mulaskar, founder and CEO of VM3 Tech Solutions, and I want to bring these both sides on the table, and definitely happy to bridge the gap between education to industry. Can we move on the next slide, please? So, about this session, we are here to bring the values for the students, for the freshers job problem and job hirings here. Education industry connect, so it's beyond the academics. We want to solve these roadblocks. So I welcome formally to Srinivas sir and Rahul sir for this panel discussions through the Internscope here. So why this webinar is arranged? What is the purpose of this? Here we want to build the campus and industry collaborations. Means we want to understand the campus to corporate journey, campus to corporate challenges, and definitely we want to groom up all those students to make their journey pleasant and for their job requirements here. Again, it's not the academic journey only, it's the skill development, it's the reality of the job market from the industry sides, and the real insights from the employers we want to understand here. What are the actionable takeaways that the student side we can take the question and answers, and what are the current hiring trends? Means every year we see the changes. One year we see the shootout in IT industry, one year we see the shootout in electrical and mechanical industry, and sometimes we say it's the recession, but actually it's not the recession, it's the by choice unemployment, and somehow we three can make the change in this overall scenario and building the nations here. Okay, can we move on the next? Okay. So here Internscope for the students, if you say we want to help the students for the career start, bridging their career gap, providing them academic project and internships, they can switch their opportunities, and of course it's the cost effective solution, because once the student, what we observed, once the students join the degrees, whatever it is degrees they learn hard, they work hard, professors take efforts to bring them on that right set of the education and academics knowledge there, but somehow these students move ahead after the degree for the different courses and different things, and get diversified from their own goal, and it get distracted, they burn their cost, efforts, time and energy. So we provide them the cost effective subscription, a resource pool, tried and tested talent, POC research and employer branding. These the benefits we are providing the companies, organizations who are the associated with the internscope.com. So through this we are bridging the gap from the students and the industries, or education and industries. Okay, so you can off the screen now. So formally, I welcome Srinivas sir and Rahul sir to be on a panelist. Initially, we will follow the protocol for the. Can you make it in a speaker or a side speaker, multi-speaker on, please? Okay. So to explain their business or their segment. So Srinivas sir from the education education department, I welcome you on a Internscope panel discussions. education industry connect expectations versus reality, and you are representing the side of expectations. So over to Srinivas sir about your professional journey and the university level you are handling the representing the role, and we'll move ahead. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am, for your kind introduction. And it's my pleasure to be the part of this section today. And I welcome all the participants for spending the time for joining the section virtually. And, I'm Dr. Srinivas Nagavalli. I completed my PhD from Vishweshwara National Institute of Technology, Nagpur. And I'm currently working as assistant professor in JSW University under the School of Electrical and Communication Science Engineering. And today our discussion is regarding what is the gap between academic and industry. So it is an perspective important step for the students, what they acquired knowledge in the industry academic and what their expected knowledge required for the industries. It is a gap. And that gap has to be recovered by various aspects. Okay. And
Yeah, sir. All these values.
okay.
So, Rahul sir, you can introduce yourself and we can move forward for the discussions ahead. Yeah.
Good evening, all. Myself, Rahul Sharke, founder and CEO, Desraja Atoms Private Limited. Location by Sanaswadi, Tel Shuru district, Pune. By the company was started is 12 years, August 2012. Almost 12 years is completed. This organization is company are Pacific Sheet Metal Industries and agriculture, automobile industries, manufacturing. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your wonderful introduction. So we'll move ahead. Initially, we'll represent the expectation side. सर श्रीनिवास सर, आप बहुत सारे एफर्ट्स लेते हो बच्चों को पढ़ाने के लिए. बच्चे भी पढ़ते हैं, दे डू द इंजीनियरिंग, यस, ओके, एंड यू वांट टू मेक देम रेडी, द जॉब रेडी, कैंपस टू कॉर्पोरेट में, समझो ऐसे, ओके. बट स्टिल आई वुड लाइक टू नो कि व्हाट आर द एफर्ट्स यू आर टेकिंग टू डेवलप द स्पेसिफिक स्किल्स और टूल्स to look for in your graduate
I got your number from an inquiry from
Can you
Bajaj.
mic off,
We're
please?
looking for some counseling.
Today's competitive market, Indian graduate annually engineering student graduates. So
Yeah.
1.5 million graduates are getting graduate. Is
Yes,
my voice
sir.
audible?
Can you off your mic, please? CT login. Yeah. Thank you. Okay.
Yeah. Every academic year, engineering graduates are to be passed out. 1.5 million graduates are getting to the graduation every year. So among that 1.5 millions, only small percentage of students getting placed in their core corporate industry without any retraining of their skills. And what the reason behind that is they are lacking in their skills and communication as well as academic misalignment. So this gap has to be filled by all these three members.
Good. So, you people are taking efforts and the students are working hard. यूनिवर्सिटी लेवल आपके यहाँ जो एफर्ट्स डालते जा रहे हैं, दैट इज मेकिंग द कम्पिटिटिव स्टूडेंट्स इन रियल जॉब मार्केट हियर. माय क्वेश्चन टू राहुल सर, is there any challenge how you hire the freshers? फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये है कि आप फ्रेशर्स हायर करते हो क्या? ओके, एंड इफ नॉट, what are the challenges for hiring the freshers? So Srinivas sir can take care in future by grooming their students. Yes, okay.
Yes. बेसिकली हम फ्रेशर को अपॉइंटमेंट करते हैं, फिर उसके बाद में फ्रेशर की रिक्वायरमेंट ऐसी रहती है कि हमको बड़ी कंपनी चाहिए, एमएनसी कंपनी चाहिए। पर बेसिकली फ्रेशर के पास उतना नॉलेज नहीं रहता, उसका स्किल नहीं रहता, अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं रहती। और हम लोगों ने बहुत जगह पे ऐसा इंटरव्यू ले लिया है फ्रेशर लोगों का, कि उनको स्कूल में जो पढ़ाया गया है फर्स्ट फर्स्ट ईयर, सेकंड ईयर, थर्ड ईयर में, उसके ऊपर भी क्वेश्चनिंग किए तो भी प्रॉपरली नॉलेज नहीं रहता। और उनके मतलब जो बोलते हैं अपेक्षा या बहुत हाईयरली रहता है, तो इसलिए प्रेशर और इंडस्ट्रीज में वो गैप रेल हुआ है। ओके।
ओके, तो सर, नाउ वी अंडरस्टूड कि आपको जो रियल टाइम स्किल्स रहते हैं या स्टूडेंट्स का जो नॉलेज रहता है, उनका एकेडमिक नॉलेज भी वो क्लियर होना चाहिए। अपार्ट फ्रॉम देयर मीन्स दे शुड हैव द प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज अबाउट द टूल्स एंड अबाउट द टेक्नोलॉजीज वॉट एवर दे आर लर्निंग इन देयर एकेडमिक्स। ओके, श्रीनिवास सर, क्वेश्चन टू यू
Yes, ma'am.
कि I think JSPM University is taking care of building these the academic students development regarding the campus to corporate program and building their students skill sets also here. Okay, so how you will answer the Rahul Shek's challenge, or how you can support by helping the students coordinations with this challenge?
Actually, when students join for an engineering, their main focus is to secure a job, and which is secure, respectable, and which should be permanent, and which should have a good salary. But the students now, education institutions in India are mostly traditionally they follow only technical subjects. No, they have some only few institutions offer technical as well as practical hands-on training experience. So that is aligned by national education policies 2020. So these policies will make these institutions which are providing this curriculum into their structure, so that students can interact with the industry. Every academic year they have internship programs to participate in any industry, and they can collaborate with alumni students, and they have a teamwork, and they have adaptability to be adjust with the changing environment, which makes this curriculum to fit those students to adaptable to the working environment and trending technologies which students can adopt. So and our university is going to change the curriculum so that the students, most of the projects in 4 years of academic year, their curriculum is such a design that out of 4 years, 4 years, every odd semester they have an internship with an industry. 3 years they have compulsory internship program, and 1 year total project is totally industry based. So this will help the student to work with an environment which is current in business, trending business. So that will help a student. It's my idea that students has to be collaborated with the trending soft skills which is currently in state.
Great, great. So, Rahul sir, I think already JSPM University has solved your question कि they don't have the industry exposure or they don't have the real time experience. And yes, as Srinivas sir already mentioned, in JSPM University they have the curriculum like design for the students for their development to matching the campus to corporate culture here. Okay. So, Rahul sir, my question to you from student side, because I have seen the pain from student very closely. If everything is goes or something is lagging, will you provide the opportunity to our students in your industry to be to work on some projects or to work on internship or for the industry visit for the colleges or universities, being a part of Interscope team?
Okay. जो आपने अभी मैडम जो क्वेश्चन किया है उसके ऊपर ऐसा है कि हम तो इंटर्नशिप के लिए तो रेडी है, फिर बेसिकली स्टूडेंट अवेलेबल नहीं है, क्योंकि स्टूडेंट को पता ही नहीं कि हमको किधर अप्लाई करना है और कहाँ से हमको इंटर्नशिप मिलेंगे। ये बेसिकली मार्केट में गैप है, क्योंकि एक्चुअली क्या होता है, स्टूडेंट मैकेनिकल फील्ड का रहता है और जो एमएनसी कंपनियां है तो उधर वो अप्लाई करता है। उधर अप्लाई करने के बाद उनको लाइन पे लगा देते हैं, मतलब एक्चुअली उसका ट्रेनिंग कॉलेज में अलग हो रहता है और उधर जाने के बाद वो अलग वर्क करता है। तो बेसिकली क्या होता है कि 2 साल का उधर ट्रेनिंग होता है और बाद में वो उनके इधर से रिलीज होने के बाद उसको पता चलता है कि हमारे 2 साल वेस्टेज गए, क्योंकि उसको उधर टेक्निकल नॉलेज कुछ भी नहीं मिलता जो उसने 4 साल में जो पढ़ाई की है। ये गैप है बेसिकली। तो जो भी इंटर्नशिप करना है, बेसिकली हमारे इधर तो मैकेनिकल फील्ड के लोग लगते हैं, डिग्री या डिप्लोमा हमारे इंडस्ट्रीज में। तो उधर पे मतलब उन लोगों को फुल्ली गाइड किया ना कि आप जिधर पे मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्रीज है उधर पे आप इंटर्नशिप कीजिए। तो अभी बेसिकली क्या हो रहा है कि लोग असेंबली लाइन पे इंटर्नशिप करने के लिए जा रहे हैं और
Yes, yes.
अभी
We have seen that people are preferring by if they are taking the degree on mechanical or electrical or electronics also, they prefer to go the software alignment degrees and software alignment companies here. So design industries or CAD CAM industries here. So my request to Srinivas sir कि इंडस्ट्री का पेन ये है कि स्टूडेंट को अगर आप ग्राउंड लेवल से नॉलेज नहीं दोगे तो दे विल नॉट बिल्ड फॉर एवर। सो कहीं ना कहीं स्टूडेंट का भी माइंड सेट होना चाहिए कि दे शुड स्टार्ट विद द स्क्रैच फॉर देयर लर्निंग प्रोसेस, दे शुड इन्वेस्ट देयर टाइम ऑन अ लर्निंग प्रोसेस। एंड डेफिनेटली आई नो the culture of JSPM also, you people always focus on the building students mindset to be the job ready, and we will definitely work it out on this. So, Srinivas sir, my question to you, what are the actionable steps need for the students and education institutions needs to bridge this gap as per your opinion? आपको क्या लगता है कि स्टूडेंट्स एंड एजुकेशन सिस्टम ने क्या एक्शन लेनी चाहिए? अभी आपके सामने तो इंडस्ट्री का पेन भी आया है कि व्हाट आर द इंडस्ट्री पेन, देयर आर अपॉर्चुनिटी, मीन्स इट्स नॉट अ रिसेशन, ओके, इट्स द बाय चॉइस अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट है। तो क्या एक्शनेबल स्टेप्स लेनी चाहिए आपके ओपिनियन से लगता है?
The interaction for the to bridge the gap, there are actionable steps to be taken for as well as the students, as well as the education institutes, as well as the industries also. So these three members has to be taken the actionable steps to bridge the gap. For the student point of view, they have to take the ownership of their learning beyond the classroom. Not only academic also, they have to apply the concepts which are taught in the classes, and they have to apply that in the real world problem solving, and they have to participate in various hackathon programs or any workshops or conferences, so that their knowledge which they acquired in the classroom they have to implement in the real world problems, and seek mentorship from the alumni, their seniors who are working in various companies, or their super seniors who are working in various companies. They have to be interact with their alumni and do they can mentorship by their personally, and there are number of organizations. Even our organization is having MOU with other organization. Internship is only for not a particular company. They have multiple companies. Students can choose on the base of their passion and interest to which organization, which company they want to choose. So EduSkills is a program in our university which offers an internship for every student of their own choice and interest. So they can choose the internship and they can communicate with the industry experts. So this will help the students to interact with the students, and they should have a passion to learn and beyond the classroom level also. For that is the point of my action step for the students to require. And next one, education institutions. For education academic also, the curriculum has to be revised so that it is try to be updated based on the trending skills, and mandatory internship programs in the curriculum should be included. Okay, and soft skill training programs like workshops to be conducted on time management. and guest lectures from any industries person should be provided in between the curriculum also. Okay, these are the steps from the students as well as the education institute. I also suggest for the industries also to have a collaboration with the institutions, to work with the institutions and send some professionals from the industry to mentor the students in the engineering colleges and invest some projects to the BTech students and let them collaborate and with the students. So that is my action plan.
That's the actionable points we have taken through the Internscope, and
Yeah.
here we want to make the industry and academics to bridge and to connect. That's the purpose of education and industry connect program with this Internscope. With our Internscope, we have around 5,000 companies are associated, which are going to be onboarded on a VM3 Tech Solutions, and we always invite the organization to publish your job post, and that's why we kept the job post cost very low. It's around 300 rupees per job post, because we believe one job post create the opportunity for 20 interns, right? And there we are, sir, we assure through the Internscope definitely will help you to connect with the industries regarding internship, regarding projects, and regarding the industry visit. Even if you feel some students are fits for the any organization subscription based, she will get directly guidance around software development. So yeah. So Rahul sir, what one advice you will give to all the students and academics and industry owners from your end? What should be followed by one action point? हम क्या ले सकते हैं, क्या लेना चाहिए? आपका सजेशन क्या हो सकता है उसमें से? You are mute.
बेसिकली कॉलेज ने सजेस्ट करना चाहिए कि स्टूडेंट को कि आप बेसिकली स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज में अप्लाई कीजिए। स्मॉल स्केल में उन्होंने अप्लाई किया तो जो उनका नॉलेज है 4 साल का, वो उधर तो उन्होंने थ्योरी की रहती है, इधर आने के बाद उनको प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज मिल जाएगा, तो उसकी वजह से उनका नॉलेज में ग्रोथ हो जाएगा। तो ग्रोथ हो जाएगा तो आगे उनको बड़े कंपनी में जॉब मिल सकते हैं, और उसके लिए उनको इम्पोर्टेंट है कटिया नॉलेज ऑफ कटिया करना इम्पोर्टेंट है, मतलब एग्रीकल्चर सॉरी मैकेनिकल फील्ड में कटिया आना इम्पोर्टेंट है, एटोकैड आना इम्पोर्टेंट है। और अभी बहुत से सॉफ्टवेयर है जो ऑटोमोबाइल इंडस्ट्रीज में यूज होते हैं, उसका उनको प्रैक्टिस होना चाहिए। बेसिकली ऑटोमोबाइल इंडस्ट्रीज में मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर की रिक्वायरमेंट बहुत है, वो फिलअप नहीं हो रही है अभी 1-2-3 साल से, क्योंकि सब मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर आईटी सेक्टर में जा रहे हैं। फिर क्यों जा रहे हैं वो पता नहीं, फिर बेस तो मैकेनिकल इंडस्ट्रीज है सबका। ओके
True, sir. Means you are expecting that students should adopt additional tools and technologies beyond their academics, and they should join initial level पे उन्होंने small scale industry join करना चाहिए. Yes, I also believe on this कि small industry में, छोटे इंडस्ट्री में आपको पूरा टर्न की नॉलेज मिलता है, एंड टू एंड नॉलेज मिलता है. And still I will request, being a representative of academic, provide the opportunity to our, if you have already mentioned, you have the openings, provide those opportunities to our students for the internships and industry visit, and we will help your solutions. We will bring something good in your organizations. So that's it from my side. Anyone has any questions, we can take it ahead with the students' question and answers. If anyone has questions, you can raise the questions. Okay.
Experience for me. I have improved my skills and learned how to work in a professional environment. I am thankful to VM3 Tech Solutions and the Internscope platform for giving me this opportunity.
Students on an Internscope, student has to register on internscope.com in a student login. So we definitely help them through the Internscope. It's the start for the student counseling. Through Internscope program, we want to help them to bridge the gap in their academics. Even whatever I found, there are students फर्स्ट रैंकर को तो जॉब मिलता है, बट व्हाट अबाउट सेकंड रैंकर? ही हैज आल्सो इन्वेस्टेड 4 years. He has also invested the efforts and money also for everything else. So we are there to support all the students. We don't bother who is first ranker and who is second ranker. Those who are expecting jobs and supports in the freshers hiring, Interscope commit them to support them to provide the right ecosystem for the students here. Okay, same here. I commit to industry experts also, and I request we believe in opportunity. If you provide us opportunity to grow, if you provide us opportunity to serve, we definitely will help you by giving the right talent force for your the right organization, and it will add value in your organization. Ultimately, it will add value in the nation's growth. Okay, thank you both of you for joining these panel discussions and adding the value. And we will, whatever you brought up on table, we will work on parallelly to groom up the students and industry connections here. You both are welcome to connect with us with your domain, and we invite you to collaborate here. So we are already collaborated. Srinivas sir, we have around 5,000 companies associated with our organization. Maximum people will be onboarded during this 1 year. So imagine how much the employment we are going to create, just helping them the mindset clearance and relieving the blockages from our mindset. Freshers don't work, freshers need supports, freshers need demanding salaries, but we can convince, and you can consider us as a convincing point or mediator point to bridge this gap. So thank you everyone for joining this session. Yes, okay, thank you.